Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach.
Hey everyone.
We are here at Hearthside Grove and we're excited. It's finally July 17th. We are having our big event under the tent.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. Things are getting set up.
Yeah, and it turned out really well.
Yeah, you can kind of see behind, but we'll be showing you.
Crow's Nest is back there getting everything set up. We're going to have some perch, very well known up here for their perch. Super excited about that.
Yum.
We have a great band from Detroit.
Yes,
I believe,
we're doing a little Motown.
A little Motown, so yeah. So super excited. So yeah, we'll show you some shots of once everyone gets here and is having a good time. And one thing Dawn and I love to do is put on these events, and Sarah from Oregon came, and she's helping us, and Michael LeBrasser's here, so we'll give you some shots of them too. We'll get them in some of the We'll try some of the videos so you can see who they are. So.
All right.
But keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.
Give you a little sneak peek as we're setting up. We've got our tables and the band is ready to rock and roll up there. Can't wait to see everyone.
Can't stop thinking about you every day. I'm gonna prove to you, girl, I ain't messing wrong with your heart. You'll be my wonder.
Hope you enjoyed that little peek at how our party turned out. You can see behind us, the tent is empty. It's coming down today, and we just want to thank everyone who came out and had a good time and did a little dancing and just enjoyed themselves. It was a great success.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. We had a perfect day. Everything, we couldn't have asked for better. Had a great turnout to the show. So, and super excited. We actually have some new marathon owners here at Hearthside Grove. So I think there's going to be 3 marathons moving into Hearthside. So we're super excited about that, and looking forward to some more. So
yeah, keep watching us, guys.
Yeah, and still have Coach 1340 that's available. So if you're looking for a new coach, I think we have that one, and we have some other ones coming out. So keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach. It's hard to stand here without people going by.